welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. We are starting this video right in my kitchen. I'm gonna be sharing a little DIY PSL, like the title says. I shared this on my Instagram actually, and a lot of you guys have been messaging me even since I posted that like a week or two ago, asking me how to make it. So I figured making this video was the best way to do it. The regular PSL has, I believe, according to the app, it has 370 calories. So that's almost 400 calories in that one. The one I'm gonna be sharing has, let's see, probably around 50-ish calories, if that. So way less, way better, a lot less sugar overall. I got my actual Starbucks PSL because I kind of wanted to compare the two, and I will say I already know even beforehand, because I've been making like my own DIY PSL at home for a while now. I know they don't taste identical. It's just one of those things. If you guys saw my last video, the PSLs from Starbucks, just when they come back around, they just give me like this warm fuzzy feeling. So if you're anything like me and you just want that like pumpkin taste and want to feel kind of like that warm fuzzy feeling, then this video is for you. If you are looking to find the same exact PSL, basically fat-free version, this isn't going to taste identical to it. So that being said, I'm gonna show you guys everything you need. You're gonna need some almond milk or whatever milk you want. Honestly, I just really like this one. This is the light vanilla. It's 50 calories for an entire cup. I don't even end up using an entire cup, so that's why I say 50-ish calories for the entire thing. Has 9 grams of sugar, which isn't the best, but it could be worse. So that's kind of like the main sugar in the entire drink. And then you're also gonna need, okay, this is the star of the show that I shared. This is the skinny syrup, 0 calories, 0 sugar, pumpkin caramel little syrup. So this is the one that I've been using. I found mine at HomeGoods, and they also had the pumpkin spice flavor, but I didn't get that one just because I felt like I was gonna overdo the pumpkin spice. I love caramel, so I got pumpkin caramel, but if you want to do like the exact pumpkin spice, you can get pumpkin spice. I think Amazon also has it, but I know a lot of places are selling out, so I will have links to everything down below. Hopefully I can still find it. And then you're going to need some little pumpkin spice topping. Oh, you're going to obviously need some espresso. The PSL, if you guys didn't know, it's not made with coffee, it's made with actual espresso. It has 2 shots of espresso for the grande at least. And then last but not least, so this is totally optional, and I don't even really highly recommend it just because it makes your drink even that much sweeter, and it doesn't really taste like whipped cream in my opinion. But this is the whipped foam topping barista style French vanilla flavor. Again, this was from HomeGoods. So let's get started. I'm gonna make it in this clear cup so you guys can see it all. So first thing, I'm gonna grab some ice. Okay, here's the ice. Let's head over to my Nespresso machine. Let's turn that on. Here is my machine. So I just put the espresso pot in there. Mine is actually a long shot, so it is the Lungo, I believe is what it's called. I like mine pretty strong, which is why I do this one. This right here is like a milk frother, but I haven't used this in a while just because I rarely make hot drinks unless it's like freezing outside. So that's literally only used like 10-20 times throughout the entire year. And then over here, I meant to throw this away, but I also wanted to show you guys. This is the protein pea almond cashew milk that I like using on days when I work out. I didn't work out today, which is why I'm not using this protein milk, but when I do work out, I like to get as much protein as possible. This one has 6 grams of sugar, so it's a little better than the other one, and it obviously has 10 grams of protein, which is really good also. Okay, now that this is ready, I'll push my little long shot. So I'm gonna do 2 shots just like Starbucks. We got our 2 long shots of espresso. I'm going to add the pumpkin syrup. This is where you have to be really careful because this stuff is extremely sweet. Like if you've had fake sugars, then you know that it can get very sweet really quickly. It's kind of like using stevia. So I do around, let's see, like that should be good. Let me bring you guys down. This is getting difficult. The rest I fill with almond milk. Literally right to the tippity top. I drank a little bit so it wouldn't spill, but I've got my espresso with almond milk in here. I'm gonna go into the foam topping, but like I said, this is totally optional and it's not even my favorite. I just kind of want to make it look and feel like the PSL, so I'm not gonna add too much, but yeah, there's foam up top. And then last but not least, the little pumpkin pie spice. It looks like this. I got this one at Target. You gotta be really careful because the holes up here, look, they're like huge, so you don't want to go crazy here. Oh. Voila! Okay, now for the taste test. It's all done. That's literally all you need to do. So it's really this guy that's like the star of the show, what you really need. so good. It's so good. To me, I feel like it's delicious and I could drink it guilt-free. I can have like 2 of these throughout the entire day and not feel guilty about it. As opposed to this guy that I was drinking every day when they first came back. I think I had it like 3 or 4 days in a row and I felt so guilty about it. I was just feeling like not great. And look at me, I have another one today. I want to try them back to back. This definitely has that more spice taste, whereas this one, I think it's because I obviously have the pumpkin caramel, not pumpkin spice flavor. Now I wish I would have gotten the pumpkin spice. It's good. Also, another fun way to trick your mind is I like to put my homemade like DIY PSL into these Starbucks cups, and then literally drinking it out of a Starbucks cup kind of just makes my mind believe that I'm drinking an actual Starbucks PSL. Am I crazy? I feel like I'm not the only one who does that. So that's why I love these Starbucks cups. This one in particular is like the cutest fall cup. I actually got this one like a year or 2 ago and I like to get them every single year, so can't wait to see which Starbucks cups are available this year. I wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on your post notifications, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.